Okay, good afternoon. We will make today chicken and mushroom pini. Our ingredients is of course pini. I have here 500 grams of pini, and I have here 200 grams of garlic, and I have here the parsley. Okay, and I have here 300 grams of marinated chicken breast. Okay, and I have here the mushroom, and I need the 300 grams of milk and 300 grams of whipping cream. Okay, so let's cook now. Okay, my oil is already hot. You need to add the garlic. Just half cook of the garlic. Okay. Okay, the smell of the garlic is so nice. We need to add the chicken breast. It's marinated with 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Okay. Then we need to cover this one. Okay, and mix. Then we will add a little bit of water, just around 100 grams of water to become soak the chicken, and together with the mushroom. Okay, so then mix. Then we need to cover this one. Now this the looks like of our chicken and mushroom pini. So we need to add the whipping cream. Okay, and we need to add the milk. Okay, that's it. Around 300 grams. Okay, so mix. And just wait to become, this one is boiling on it. So we will add the pini, and the last one, the parsley, chopped parsley. Okay, so okay, now it's already boiling our chicken and mushroom pini. So we need to add the pini. Okay, by the way, this is Italian cuisine. Okay, and we need to add the parsley. Okay, so then mix. And that's it. Our pasta is done. Thank you. We need to add Parmesan cheese. Okay, then we will mix. Okay, mix. Our pasta is done. Good morning. This is Edwin Tiggy Kitchen. Okay. If you like to learn a lot in food preparation, food handling, storing, proper storing of food, and study the cross contaminations of food preparations and the proper handling of color coding of chopping board together with the knife. You can open my channel in YouTube. That is Edwin Tige. You can search in the YouTube, so you will learn a lot. If you like dreaming to put up a restaurant, you need to study my YouTube channel, and that's it. You will learn a lot. Or you are dreaming like me as a parent. This is for you guys. You will learn step by step of preparation. Just follow my YouTube channel and like my YouTube channel and share my videos, so you will learn a lot of my food preparations. Okay, thank you, and subscribe my channel.